members, Principal Sir, all staff members, and my dear students. Someone once told me leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. And today, we have among us such renowned people who stand true to these words, who have inspired millions of people with not only their words but their work, and have created an impact which will last for generations to come. Firstly, I would like to welcome our chief guest, General V.P. Malik, former Army Chief. Next, we have with us Mr. V.K. Kapoor, retired IPS officer, Mr. Vivek Atre, retired IS officer, Colonel D.S. Chima, retired Army officer and an author, and Colonel N.R. Babarwal, SMC member. On behalf of respected Principal Sir, all staff members, and students of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, I welcome all the esteemed dignitaries present here today to our school. It is an honor to be among you all, and we look forward to be galvanized by your words. I would like to request Colonel N.R. Babarwal and the Principal Sir, Mr. Piyush Kunj, to please escort all the dignitaries for garlanding of the bus and lead the tour.
Om Malyadini Sugandhini Malyadini Mediko Maya Hitani Pushpani Pujatam Pratigriyatam Om Deepo Jyoti Parbrahma Deepo Jyoti Janardana दीपो हरतु मे पाप दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणं आरोग्यं सत्संपदाम् आत्मतत्त्व प्रबोधाय दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते। सब हाथ जोड़कर हमारे आराध्य स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का ध्यान करेंगे। सभी छात्र मिलकर उच्चारण करेंगे। ओम ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदातारं पद्माक्षं गौर विग्रहं ध्याये देवं ज्योतिपुञ्जं लोक कल्याणकारिणं परतत्त्वे सदा लीनो रामकृष्ण समाख्या यो धर्म स्थापनरतो वीरेशं तं नमाम्यहम् वीरेशं तं नमाम्यहम्।
This seminar has been organized in association with Suvichar. Suvichar, meaning good thought in English, is a think tank which has been set up like-minded individuals with headquarters in Chandigarh. Suvichar is a forum for experienced persons who have insight into various key sectors that are an integral part of our society's functioning. Suvichar seeks to give back to society inputs and guideposts that can enhance the ability of people to deal with a plethora of issues and also to provide thought leadership in certain areas. The founding members of Suvichar are General V.P. Malik, M.L. Sareen, Neelam Mansingh, V.K. Kapoor, Mr. Vivek Atre, Professor Rajneesh Bhattas, Mr. Vipin Papi, Mr. Ashok Tandon, Mr. Sameer Jain, Mr. Sameer Goyal, Ms. Neena Singh and Ms. Jyoti Kamal. And it gives me great honor to welcome some of these distinguished personalities to our school today. I would like to invite our head boy, Akashdeep Syan, to give floral welcome to our chief guest, General V.P. Malik, former Indian Army Chief. head girl Nandini Kaushal to give floral welcome to Mr. V.K. Kapoor, retired IPS officer, former DGP. Now I invite our distillery captain Kashish to give floral welcome to Mr. Vivek Atre, former IS officer. I invite our social awareness captain Nishtha to give floral welcome to Colonel D.S. Chima, retired army officer and an author. Thank you, Student Council. Today's event has a very special purpose, especially for all students present here. Leadership has the capacity to translate vision into reality, and today all the prestigious dignitaries present here are here to guide you all towards the skills that are important for the youth to be effective leaders of tomorrow. Now I would request respected Principal Sir to welcome our guest with his kind words.
Namaste. How are you all? Great, God wish you and you always be happy and healthy. A very good morning to all present. They alone live who live for others. Rest are more dead than alive. This quote is very relevant to the august dignitaries who are present over here in front of us. They have served this nation and they have done a lot for the nation and for our citizens. It is my proud privilege to welcome General V.P. Malik, AVSM, ex-Chief of Indian Army. I also welcome Mr. V.K. Kapoor, IPS retired, former DGP Haryana, and our own, again I'll say, Mr. Vivek Atre, for IAS retired and former DC of Panchkula, author and motivational speaker. I also welcome Colonel D.S. Chima, ex-army officer and author of many books. Though these dignitaries do not require any introduction, but it is my duty to formally introduce them to you. General V.P. Malik was born on 1st November 1939, Dera Ismail Khan, now in Pakistan. He joined Indian Army at an age of 20 years in the 6th Light Infantry Unit. He is a recipient of Param Vashisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. Children, this medal is given for peacetime award for to the service personnel for their exceptional honor. His role in Operation Cactus in 1988 and later on his role as the chief of the army staff that led India to the victory of Kargil war, that was from 3rd May 1999 to 26 July 1999. So none of you were born at that time, but you can ask your parents what this war was and what it meant to the Indians at that time. So it was he under whose leadership India won this war. He served Indian Army as 19th Chief from 30th September 1997 to 30th September 2000. After his retirement, he settled in Panchkula, living with his wife, Mrs. Ranjana Malik. His son and his daughter both are also serving army. Brigadier Sachin Malik is his son. It was his wish to give back to the society. With this aim, he invited like-minded people and made a think tank with name as Suvichar. This Suvichar is for the youth, it is working for the youth, it is doing many activities, and their main focus is to promote sports. Sir, we also offer our school especially for the sports, Anytime any activity is required to be done, we have got huge playgrounds. We can feel, we will be honored if Suvichar does this type of activities in action. I further introduce Mr. V.K. Kapoor, IPS retired, Additional Director General of Police, Haryana. You are MA in English, LLB. You have served very important and sensitive assignments in the state government and government of India intelligence. You handled various visits of international personalities, especially Russian President Mr. Mikhail Gorbachev and US President Bill Clinton when they came to India. You are a recipient of many awards, and the most prestigious, that is the Police Medal Award for the Distinguished Service, is being bestowed on you. Presently, you are the convener of Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Heritage, INTEC, and many other associations which are working in this area. It happens to be our privilege that we also, along with our children, had an opportunity one time to go in Bhima Devi temple under one of the projects of INTEC. And in a few days back, we had a meeting, and he is looking forward to our school that we will be doing a lot many activities for the INTEC. And so we assure you that our school and all our children will be always with the INTEC for any type of responsibility you give to us. I also welcome Mr. Vivek Atre, ex-IS officer, motivational speaker, and author. You are BTech in electronics from NIT Kurukshetra. You have served in civil services for 25 years and retired as IAS in 2007. You have authored 3 books, and 4th book is on the verge of to be released soon. And all the 3 books are available in our library. When there is a regular school, I'll ask each one of you to go through these books, especially the skills, the 52 skills. So that is the one, finding success within. And really, earlier also I have spoken, it is a parallel near to the Bhagavad Gita, because if you read chapter wise daily, and you will find a lot of change in you. And really I appreciate, sir, your concern for the youth for this purpose. You are 8 times TEDx and 3 times Josh talk speaker. You have more than 30 lakh viewers for the YouTube. You are associated with many institutes, organizations, NGOs, etc. I welcome you, sir, to our school campus. I welcome Colonel D.S. Chima, who is himself a very, I can say, a very humble personality. I had the opportunity to meet him many times, and every time when I met him, it was a different experience. He is also author, and his latest book was I Shall. So this was his latest book. Now coming to our today's program, that is skills that the youth needs to be an effective leaders of tomorrow. As per Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. That means yoga is art of working skillfully. Yoga is not just the physical, which everybody these days is expecting. If you do yoga, it is all the physical that we do. Yoga is rather an excellence in action. What we do or perform, the whole concept implies that if you are excellent and skillful and artful in action and duty, he is performing, he is on the path of yoga. Yoga brings proficiency in action. It implies when someone practices yoga, ultimately it brings mastery in the former's action or duty. Yoga has inherent incredible potential to bring stability, decision making, quality, endurance, fearlessness, insight, and these are the skills which everybody needs to be a good, effective leader. Dear students, we have amongst us the people who have developed these skills. That's why a lieutenant rose to the post, to the rank of army chief. He developed certain skills that made him the difference. We have Mr. V.K. Kapoor, who joined the Haryana Police and later on rose to the highest position, that is Director General of Police. We have Mr. Vivek Atre, who joined the civil services as HCS and retired as IAS. So the difference is the skills they developed in themselves that made them to do an exceptionally, ordinarily different than rest of the people. So today we have the opportunity to hear from these dignitaries about the various skills that we need to have in our youth so that they become the citizens of tomorrow, good leaders. And sir, a special thing that is today's our three guests are with these. Mr. Vivek Atre, General V.P. Malik, Mr. V.K. Kapoor. So it shows the victory, that is, they have led with their names and they are going to lead us, that we are also victorious in our coming times. I also say they are the modern Munis. Munis are not those, because in previous time we used to call the Munis and the Rishis people who did lot of tapa and japa and so many things for the well-being of all. They have also done a lot of tapa. That's why they are over here, and we are here to absorb the positivity from them. Whatever the positivity they have developed in themselves. Students, please, I request, because I always talk for the spirituality with you. So absorb the positivity which they are sharing in this area now. So, and if you are able to absorb, tomorrow you will be also a leader. Sir, in our school, we are also doing a lot of things for the skill development. We follow the ideology of Panchakosha, where physical, mental, emotional, social and intellectual development is being done by the various activities. Because we do not believe only in imparting bookish knowledge to our students. We make them do certain social activities also. These children go to slum areas, we get blankets from Ramakrishna Mission, they distribute to the poor needy people, they bring from their homes chawal and dal, they themselves go and distribute these type of things. They have been doing the plantation drive from last more than 17 years, and they make others also to do plantation. So all these skills we are trying to imbibe in them, but we are looking forward from all of you that you impart certain those skills, you give them certain those tips which we are not able to give, so that they also become the leaders like you. Thank you and God bless you all, and really I'm thankful to you, General Malik, for sparing your valuable time along with the Mr. V.K. Kapoor, Mr. Vivek Atre and Colonel Chima for making our day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Like always today also you enthralled us with your words.